Are you looking for a course that helps you build real-time applications in NextJS as well as use OpenAI and teaches you how to use GitHub and Vercel in order to deploy your applications live on production using continuous deployment and continuous integration? If you have just started out learning React.js or Next.js, then this course is definitely for you. This course is designed for entry-level and intermediate software developers or front-end developers or college graduates who are looking to build their portfolio in Next.js and are finding it difficult to get an hands-on experience in their development skills. So let's start with the first project that we will be building in our course. This is a demo for that. If you can see here, I'll be entering a room name, let's say room 1, and I'll click on create. And when I'll click on create, a room will be created. Let me create another room, let's say call it room 2. And if I click on create, it will create another room for me. And you can see on the background with my previous window open, you can see that 2 rooms are created over there as well. And if I select a room in my previous window and grab my guest window once again, and if I type in a message in my room number 1 on the guest window and let's say hi and click on send, if I send this, you can see that the message has been received in my previous window. Similarly, if I type in a message from my original window and let's say hi from and click on send, you can see that the message has been received on the guest window as well. So this is the first project that we will be building in this course, and you can try out. And if I click on some other room, let's say room number 2, and going back to room number 2, if I type in a message and call it hi room 2 and click on send, you can see that the message would be received in room number 2 on my previous screen as well. So you can find it over here. So this is the first project that we will be building, and I'm really excited. If you're on board on this course, I'll be adding more projects in this course and you will have a lifetime subscription to all those course videos. Another project that we'll be building in this course is an image generator tool using OpenAI, where we will be entering a command and OpenAI will generate a dynamic image for us. So if I type in a command, let's say human with the dog, and if I click on generate button, it will generate an image for me using OpenAI, and this image depicts exactly what I was looking for. So I really hope that you liked this course, and if you're looking for a really exciting thing, then this is one of those courses that will help you understand the deeper sides of a framework. This is a short course and you will be able to create 5 real-time applications and showcase them on your portfolio and deploy it to production. This course doesn't talk about too much in theoretical terms, and you will be really working directly on hands-on development. You will be straightway into the development and you will be working with me side by side. Enroll in this course today. So I'll see you there. Take care. Bye.